Guys, it's Joey, and today we're gonna be looking at some of my grandpa's cars. Well, he's super old. They're not studio. Okay. Wow, okay. Look at this one. This one is like an armor truck. Look at that, isn't that cool? Oh, yeah, so cool. So it's an armor truck. It's so cool, doesn't it? Look at the next. Look at the next truck. Yeah, this is the Disneyland bus. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. We have a McLaren car. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, the door's open. I can't get in the open. Okay, there you go. The car door open. Open you. You get. In the car we have is a toy. He's putting that car. I do say so myself. Look at that. Lady. Sorry. My camera. So yeah, this is putting that car. It used to glow in the dark, but batteries went out. So take that. Next, I'm pretty sure all you guys know this one. This one, Metro. He's super cool. Look at that. He looks so realistic. Look at that. And if you pull him back, pull him back. Yeah, you crash. This one is old car. It's so old. Look at that. Old. Ew, gross. So old. Now let's get rid of the old and get rid of the new. Look at this baby. It's so nice. Nice. Yeah, don't worry about it. Okay. Let's get to the next one. This one is my favorite car. Cause it's small, it's short and green. You're like me. You're my favorite one. So you're gonna stay. This is your VIP area. That is the car that I like. Yeah. Sorry, Major, I don't like you. You too yucky and musty. Next, we have this car. I think it's supposed to be a firefighter / ambulance. It has the ambulance sign, but it has the firefighter hold on here. But it doesn't look like a firefighter truck. It got yucky stuff on it. So, ew, you get out of here. This one like a original classic car. This is my grandpa's dream car. Super nice, isn't it? But no, not my kind of nice. Yeah. This one is an old pickup truck. It's rusty, yucky. Get over here. Get over here. Going to the darker bit. This next one is a race car. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, but it's promoting pills. Yucky, pills are disgusting. Yeah, going to the darker bit. Okay. Ooh, the next one we have Blue's Clues. Ooh, Blue's Clues is a good show. I recommend it to all of you. Oh yeah, yeah. I think Blue's Clues is hang out. Yeah. We got another old car. It's the old car. Yeah, get out of here. Yeah. And let's see what else we have here. Ooh, this one looks futuristic. I think he's staying. Yeah, he looks nice. If I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. Wouldn't you guys agree? Tell me in the link below you agree, cause I agree. This next one is old. Like it's so old and yucky and crinkled. Hopefully, what if this would mean in the future? Yuck! No. Go in the dark abyss. Okay, this next one is pretty old too. It's gross. Just get out of here. You nasty. Oh, gross. Okay. Let's see, is there anything else? What's going on? Oh, you get this one. It's a race car, but it's old. It's old. You that nasty. You nasty. Get out here. You nasty. Ooh, guys, look at this. This is the most tastiest car ever. It's not car. It's chocolate. Get out here, chocolate. You're not welcome here. Okay, we have Lightning McQueen. Ooh, yeah. I think Lightning McQueen can hang out with us. You guys, This is my VIP zone. They look so cool. This one's old, like old. Like like Stone Age old. Look at this is Stone Age. It grows into a abyss. You deserve to go in the abyss. You deserve it. Okay, let's see what else we got up in here. Okay, I think we should. What about this one? Nah, that one's garbage. How about this one? This one is not even a car. You get out of here, you garbage. You're gonna you dumb bum. You're gonna. Okay, let's see what else we got up in here. Oh, we got another old one. When you show old clothes. You disgusting. Get out of here. Y'all got shit disgusting. Wait, wonder what else we have here. Oh yes. Whoa, look at these cars. Look at these bad boys. I think we're gonna keep them. Yeah. Look at them, this short and stubby just like me. Let's see what else we got. We have a blue Lightning McQueen. Yeah, he come with us. Yeah, you get that. We got two Lightning McQueen. We got red one and blue one. Oh yeah, we got Blue's Clues. We got Future Car. We got me. We got these two cars. Yeah, I think we had a good time. We threw all the cars in the abyss. Yeah, so we had a good time. Let's take the cars out of the abyss. It's so dark on you, Phil. Okay, we got our the garbage car. Okay, take that. Oh, fuck. Oh no, you're good. Okay, not even a car. Huh. I can't find no more other cars. I think the abyss took them. Dun. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.